Hello friends, so welcome back to this channel once again, and in today's video session I will discuss how we can unzip a file in IFS and copy back to PDS. So let's see an example and then we'll code it. So if you see, there's no data in this file. This is a PF having three fields: emp ID, emp name and manager ID. So let's insert one record into it. So if you look at this now, you will find one record inserted in this file. Now just do work link. So you'll see nothing at my home path. So now what I'll do is first is I have to create a zip file. So what I'll do, I'll call this program where I will create a pf1.csv on the IFS first and then making a zip of that file. So we'll refer the pf1 in easy class 1 where we have inserted one record. So you can see that first thing I'll run copy to impf to just copy pf1 in library easy class 1 to the IFS path, and IFS path will be my home path default current directory path. So basically this will copy that and we'll create a CSV file. So you can see this in my video, this one, zip file in IFS using QSHELL Jar command jar. So you can see about this program in that video. So where I'm using the Java archive command, that is QSHELL command. So this is the syntax, jar, and then the options, and then the name of the zip file, and the file to be zipped. Basically, these are the options that you can go through it. And here is the command. So jar cfm and the path of the zip file and the CSV file. So basically that I'll run it from the STRQSH. So I can show you STRQSH. So if you run it from command line, you'll see this command entry screen, and then you can write jar here and press enter. So you'll find all these options list and usage command here also. So I just noted it down in my code to show you there. So basically this will zip the file on the IFS location. Just call it. So it is showing the standard output here that pf1.csv is the presenter. So here you can see pf1.csv is created here, and this one is the zip file of that pf1.csv. So let's delete this pf1.csv. You can do this from the program as well. Now what I'll do is I'll also delete this record. Now this file is also blank. Now what I'll do, we have only zip file on the IFS location and we do not have CSV file left there, and we do have blank DDS file at in the library easy class 1. Now what I'll do unzip from here. So you'll see the code, the same command variable is declared here, the same program command, that is Java archive command jar, will be used here. The options will be differ in place of zipping or unzipping only, and everything else will be same. So you can see that I'm using first what I'm doing is I am setting the current directory path, and you can ignore it also. This I just shown that you can run multiple command on the QSHELL environment at once, because only once I can execute it, because if I do it again and again. This will open a new session always. So on the single session, I'll do this. So I used and to denote that this is the first command and this is the next command to be executed. So I can even remove this whole first line and I can only use this one, jar xf. So x is for extract name file or all files from archive. That is, I can either extract all the files from the zip file or I can extract a named file from the archive. So both the things are possible. And what I need to do is to give the name of the zip files, pf1.zip, this one. Now what I'll do is I'll run this command, and once this zip is extracted, and you can see the F option. F option is to basically specify the archive file name. So once this is extracted on the same location, what I'll do, I'm copying this back to the DDS using copy from mpf command /home/easy /bf1.csv to this library, and I'll replace this with this one. Replace null value with the default values of the file, whatever it has. So let's compile this. It is compiled now, and you can check again. There is no CSV file, so let's call it. So once you have called it, you'll see there is no error. Now just do work link. So you can see now pf1.csv is created or extracted, you can say, from the zip file which has record. Now just check the value in this file. So you can see this was blank earlier. I have deleted the record. Now the record is copied back from that CSV to this DDS file. So this way you can basically unzip a zip file and you can basically copy back the CSV file to the DDS file. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.